Welcome to a Simple Steps tutorial by Brando Consulting. I'm Lance, inventory software expert since 2006. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple steps of receiving in Fishbowl Mobile Warehouse or at Fishbowl Advanced Mobile using the mobile device. And in this video, we will not be covering receiving lot numbers or serial numbers. Be sure to check out my other video that does that. So the simple steps of receiving with Fishbowl Advanced Mobile is log in, tap on the receiving screen, select the PO that you would like to receive, select the edit button to take you to the next screen. Now we see a list of items that were purchased on a purchase order. So we've got 3 items here. Be sure to pay attention to the unit of measure. So I'll just start at the top and work my way down. We purchased 1 of these. If I click receive, this might receive it if we have this setting in the database set. Always show edit screen. So since that is checked, when I click receive, it's going to show the edit screen. Then I click receive down here again, the little truck icon, click or tap. So we're tapping on this screen. And now it brings me back to the list and erases that line that we just received. So we go to the next one, count that, hit the truck or the edit button to bring us to the edit screen, count the quantity, select the location or scan the location we're going to be receiving to. Here's some mock locations I set up in this mock file and tap receive. Notice we received less than was on the purchase order, so that's going to remain outstanding until we close short the purchase order until the vendor sends it. This next one, click receive, advances to the edit screen, and I'm going to put in a greater quantity this time instead of a lesser quantity. Select the location. We can receive it to receiving, and then later maybe use the put away feature on the transfer order screen if we want to receive to receiving, and then on another step put away. That's also an option. But in this video I'm just going to show you the simple steps of receiving with Advanced Mobile. So we'll select the location we're receiving to and receive. Now if we had received everything at this point, we would be done and it would bring us back to the previous screen. Since not all the quantity was there when we counted it, we need to finish by clicking the save button. Don't forget to save. Alright, now let's do another one. Simple steps. Select a PO, click, select the item we're receiving, select edit or receive. Once again, if this box was not checked and we just clicked receive, it would be done. It would receive and not advance to edit. So we click receive, receive, and that's it. Those are the simple steps to receiving with Fishbowl Advanced Mobile. Be sure to subscribe to see more videos like this. We've got a lot of Fishbowl tutorial videos on this channel. Comment below if you have any questions or video recommendations, and smash that like button if this was helpful.